How to enable or enable verbs window logging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on developer option. So you will see. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search enable word vendors logging. Scroll down and search. You will see enable words window logging is here. So if you want to enable, so turn on this button. You will see enable words window logging is enabled. So if you want to disable enable words window logging, so turn off this button. You will see enable verbs window logging is disabled. So you will enable or disable verbs vendors logging from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable verbs window logging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.